Montenegro is one of the most impressive countries in the Balkans, opening onto the Adriatic. As one of the rare landscapes where mountains are so close to the sea, it offers visitors an experience rich in both nature and history. Located in the southwest of the country, the Bay of Kotor is considered one of Europe's most unique natural harbors. These tranquil waters, surrounded by high mountains, have been a safe route for sailors for centuries. Kotor stands out with its city fabric that has survived from the Middle Ages to the present day. The stone streets, the old town surrounded by walls, and the castle structures rising up the slopes show how strategic a location the city has been throughout history. Today, Kotor continues to carry the traces of its past alongside modern life. The historic churches around the Bay of Kotor are important symbols of the region's multicultural structure. These structures are not only religious centers, but also silent witnesses that shed light on Montenegro's seafaring past. Budva, on the other hand, represents Montenegro's more vibrant and energetic side. The old town, surrounded by historic walls, merges with the beaches along the Adriatic coast. In Budva, history, the sea, and social life are all felt simultaneously. Life in Montenegro flows without haste. Cities in harmony with nature offer a simple but high-quality lifestyle. This country is a powerful attraction for those seeking tranquility, as well as those who love to explore. Mountains, sea, history, and modern life. Montenegro brings all these elements together in a small geography, offering visitors an unforgettable experience. Wishing everyone the opportunity to see and experience the world's beauty. Take care.